Hello viewers, welcome to this video lecture series on C programming. In this session, I shall discuss the do-while loop. It is in continuation with my previous session. In the previous session, I have explained about the while statement, how this while statement works, the syntax of while, and an example for the while statement. Now let us see here the do-while statement, or I can call this as do-while loop because these are the looping statements. The syntax is you need to write down the keyword do, opening flower brace, then write the statements here inside this flower braces. So you can call it as the body of the loop. There can be one statement or more than one statement here for the body of the loop. Then you are using what? The while keyword and test expression. That means the condition is tested here at the end. So if you observe here, the body of the loop is executed at least once unconditionally. Then you can check here the condition is tested here. If the condition is true, once again it will go back and execute the body of the loop. So it will continue as long as this condition that is mentioned here or the test expression that gets evaluated here is true. Once the condition becomes false, it will come out. That means it is not going to go back to this body of the loop. It will execute all the statements that are mentioned after this while. The same thing you can understand with the flow. This is the entry to the do while statement. Then you have the statements here, that is the body of the loop. Look here, it is getting executed first only without testing the condition. Then you are testing the condition here. If the condition is true, then once again what it is going back, it keeps executing the body of the loop as long as the test condition is true. Once the test condition becomes false here, then it will come out from this do while statement and it will execute all the statements that are present after that. So we call this as an exit control loop. The while loop we call it as entry control loop, and the do while loop we normally call it as exit control loop. Same example which I had given for the previous while statement, printing 5 times this sentence, writing the logic here using the do while, I equal to 0. So first we are using a variable I, is initialized with 0. So I value is 0. Then this statement is over. After that it enters what? The do while statement. Then here in the do while, in the body of the loop, this is one statement that is written in the printf. So that statement will get executed. Now look here, there is no condition getting tested. Immediately it print here. That means first it is printing whatever is there inside the body of the loop at least once. The next statement you are increasing the value of the variable I. So I becomes now 0 plus 1, it is 1. The current value of I is 1. Now for the first time the condition is getting tested here. I value is 1. 1 less than 5. Condition is true. If the condition is true, it will enter the body of the loop. In the body of the loop you have the statement engineering wing. So you will print this. Then you have the next statement incrementing. So I current value of I was 1. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Now it will test 2 less than 5. Yes, it is true. If it is true, then it will enter into the body of the loop and it will print the statement or statements that are present there. Then it will execute I plus plus. So I value, current value is 2. 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Now if it is 3, condition is tested, because you can see here after this you have this statement. So 3 less than 5, yes, condition is true. If the condition is true, that means 3 less than 5, the condition is true, it will enter into the body of the loop and it will print once again the statements that are there inside the body of the loop. Then you have the statement I plus plus, incrementing the value. So I becomes now 3 plus 1, 4. Fine. 4 less than 5, yes, the condition is true. That means here now you are substituting 4. 4 less than 5, the condition is true. It will enter into the body of the loop again and the statement gets printed. After that is the increment statement. So I becomes now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 less than 5. No, the condition is false. The condition is false, it will not go back to this. That means the control will now come back to the statements that are present after this. So with this also we are able to print 5 times the statement engineering wing. Using the while statement also we were able to carry out this task, but there first the condition was tested and then it was entering into the body of the loop. Here since you are writing the body of the loop first, so at least once the statements of the body of the loop will get executed and then the condition gets tested. So this is how the do while statement in C programming works. Hope you find this session useful. If you find it useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.